Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is ubi puto with cheese using rice flour. Aside from fermenting, I also do the Asian method of making bread, the Tangzhong Method. Tangzhong Method is cooking a portion of the flour and liquid in the recipe into a thick slurry. Let's start by sifting the rice flour, followed by the sugar, then mix using wire whisk. Then add the milk, mix and set it aside. Let's make the water roux or the Tangzhong Method. Mix the rice flour and the water in a pan. Then cook in a slow heat until become thick slurry but pourable. The water roux until become warm. Then add to the rice flour mixture, whisk until become smooth. Then add the instant yeast, mix again and set it aside for 30 to 45 minutes.
After 40 minutes.
After 40 minutes, get the mixtures, then mix the baking powder and set it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, get the mixtures and transfer in a pitcher. Then add the purple yam extract. I add 1 teaspoon first. You may add more until how vibrant purple you want on your puto. I make my ubi puto like a muffin puto. You can make into a smaller puto or in a cake pan. I steam my ubi puto in a pre-boiled steamer and steam first for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, it's not yet done, so I added 4 more minutes. My muffin puto I steamed for 12 minutes. Then I added the sliced cheese. Steam again for a minute and do this with all your mixtures. Here's my ubi puto cheese. Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe! Thanks for watching, guys! Please try this recipe. You can also make in a small plain puto like the puto calasiao with cheese!